folks, I have a really nice tenor ukulele to show you today. It's got a beautiful curly Myrtle back and sides, and we pulled this board from the Carpenter Ant stash a few years ago. Kind of looks like lightning bolts or pitchforks or something. Is pretty cool. Maybe flames. And Bearclaw spruce top. This is some salvage wood from Alaska Specialty Woods. Really nice Bearclaw patterns. And he's got a pickguard on here. We put a plastic pickguard here and here. These are self-adhesive pickguards that are very thin. They don't affect the sound. They're not even really visible from far away. But Jeremy has an enthusiastic right hand, so we want to protect as much as we can. Real dark and streaky Oregon walnut for fretboard and headplate and bridge there. We've got walnut binding here with the bird's foot purfling. And then I did myrtle binding here and a myrtle stripe in the neck with a Sitka spruce for the neck. And this is some really nice straight grain, tight grain, old growth spruce that my friend Craig harvested with his dad many years ago. And it's suitable for ukulele necks for sure. Light and strong. So yeah, some folks say that spruce takes longer to break in and wake up than, in other kinds of tops. I don't know if that's the case, but I've been having fun getting to know this instrument all day. See where the tone is. Yeah, it's really fun. I really hope Jeremy likes it. I've made him several instruments, so it's hard because you have to kind of keep upping your own. You have to keep upping your game every time. So, cheers.